I got so much set up. I gotta move some stuff out the way. I wonder if I should have worn them. They were kind of warm, but they get kind of cold because I've been out here for like a long trying to set it up. It looks good. The lighting's not that good though. I didn't plug my thingy in. Look, I got this hot sauce and the green sauce. I need to watch. One of the sauces was way too hot last time. I can barely eat it. I'm gonna use this one. This one got some meat in it. I should use my light. I thought I would have enough light. But I probably don't. Yeah, this one's the more thicker one with the meat in it. I think this was supposed to go with Brooklyn's noodles that she got. I should have got a napkin. Oh, I actually had that I got like kitchen towels. I have to buy some more. But it didn't go back out. I should have put more stuff on it and the cilantro on this one. I'm gonna try this one. I'm gonna take my Coke in a minute. This one's probably the best one that I got. I got ones before. I don't like them that much though, except for the food cart one I got. They don't have LaCroix here either. They do, but it's like extra expensive, so I don't get it. I can show you. This one's much way thicker. I don't know what the difference is either. I'm gonna try this one with the super one. is running spicy. I still should use my microphone, so my voice is probably kind of low. I don't know. But then the microphone picks up more of the background. I should have got all these kind of, because I like these ones more. And I usually eat them all because Brooklyn doesn't want to eat them. Excuse me. So I'll do that with the thick sauce again. And I didn't eat anything all day, so I'm gonna get full quick. I was supposed to go to we went to the store earlier today, but what did I even get? Oh, some some caffeine drinks and a coffee from Starbucks. I had a donut though, half a donut. And like a granola bar. It was good though. I got some tequila. It's still warm. I should have scoot the camera over. I don't want this to plunge in there. I'm trying to get to the bottom, but it's hot because all the good stuff's at the bottom. I don't like that tequila that much. I've been drinking so much, that's gonna have to be the last bottle. And I'm full. I'm glad I didn't eat on the bed because it would have been too much. think I got 5 of these. So I got 5 of these regular ones. And I got, yeah, six of these ones. So the ones are in there. I think this is gonna be my last one because I'm getting full. This one has a lot of the meat in it. I thought I was doing ASMR again. But this one's like hecka hot. It wiped off all the other stuff. I'll put the green sauce on this one. This one. I paid $25 for like the delivery, then 11 tacos, like plus all the sides, and then Brooklyn's noodles. So it's not too bad. That was good though. Let's put it away though because I'm getting full. I'm going to take this. I should have got a Jose. I like Jose the best. Maybe when I was in the US. I don't like this one that much. Or the one I had yesterday. But yeah, these are just the, dang, what is that place? I don't know what the restaurant's called. But it's in Mexico City. Duh, because I'm in Mexico City. Okay, let me try. Jose Smoothie. This one is the Hornitos one, I think. And I keep trying different ones. Maybe I'll try it, but it's still the same. Oh, and of course Patron, but I don't have Patron mini, so. But Jose and Patron, I could just drink straight. Like, I don't need nothing to chase it. I don't have to add it to anything. It's just like, yeah, of course, like, it's more smoother because they're more expensive. Especially Patron. Like, it's just like drinking water. But anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.